Building a gaming PC is easier than you think. It's a journey, a puzzle, a rewarding adventure where the final prize is a machine tailored to your specific gaming needs. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey together. First things first, the heart of a gaming PC, the Central Processing Unit or CPU. Two main competitors dominate this field: Intel and AMD. Intel's Core i7 and i9 offer high-end performance, ideal for those seeking the utmost gaming experience. However, AMD's Ryzen series, especially the 5000 series, provides a robust performance at a more affordable price, making it a favorite among budget-conscious gamers. Moving on to the motherboard, the unsung hero that brings all the components together. There's a wide array of options, but the three main factors to consider are size, socket, and chipset. Brands like Asus, MSI, and Gigabyte offer high-quality motherboards. If you're going for an Intel CPU, ensure your motherboard has an Intel-compatible socket, and the same goes for AMD. Next up, the Random Access Memory, or RAM. In the world of gaming, size does matter. The more gigs, the smoother the gameplay. Corsair, Kingston, and G.Skill provide reliable RAM sticks. Aim for at least 16 gigabytes, but if you're an extreme gamer, don't hesitate to go for 32 gigabytes or even 64. The Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU, is the star of the show. It's the component that ensures your games look stunning. NVIDIA's RTX series and AMD's Radeon RX series are top contenders here. While NVIDIA's options tend to be more powerful, AMD's GPUs offer great value for money. On to storage, where you'll be storing your games and software. Solid-state drives, or SSDs, offer faster load times than traditional hard disk drives or HDDs. Brands like Samsung and Western Digital offer reliable options. Consider getting an SSD for your operating system and favorite games, and an HDD for everything else. Your gaming machine would be incomplete without a power supply unit or PSU. Brands like EVGA and Corsair offer reliable options. Ensure you select a PSU with enough wattage to support all your components. Finally, the PC case, the home for all your components. It's not just about aesthetics. The size, airflow, and ease of building are all important factors. NZXT, Corsair, and Fractal Design are some of the most reputable brands. Building your own gaming PC is not just about having the best specs. It's about the experience, the learning, and the satisfaction of creating something uniquely yours. So, don't hesitate. Dive into this fascinating world. It's time to start your build. Happy gaming!